always assume she's a housewife. What if my dad was a house husband? Why don't you have the efforts to ask a simple question? What does my mom do? With me, when a woman takes a man's surname, there is no discussion. This is a rooted patriarchy since a very long time in India. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can we just ignore the fact that I'm recording in a bathroom because like what the fuck? I know it's a bit awkward, but I thought let's change the background a little bit, and why not the bathroom for once? Wait, I need to show you something adorable. She's saying hi. Say hi. She's saying hi too. Now she needs to go. Oh, by the way, please appreciate my triceps and biceps. I don't have any, but these are some non-existent biceps and triceps. Continuing. So I want to discuss about the micro-misogynistic acts that I have been observing since a very long time around me, and I had to discuss it today. So the thing that I want to discuss is that since childhood I've heard from people around me, yeah, what your dad does, what does your dad do, does he do job or business? We usually answer the question, right? The thing is, nobody asks what my mom does. They always assume she's a housewife. Not just my mom, I'm not specifically talking about my mom, I'm talking about all the Indian moms. Why does nobody ask कि तेरी मम्मा क्या करती है? What does your mom do? Why do they? My cat's roaming around me. Why do they always have to ask what does your dad do? Now a few days ago I was visiting a sports place, okay, and there was a teacher who was volunteering a specific sports criterion. I approached him and I asked where is this specific teacher, and he guided me. And he asked what does your dad do? Now that's a very simple question every Indian asks. It was like he does this. He didn't give the effort to ask what does my mom do. What if my dad was a house husband and not a working man? My mom is a working woman. Yes, my mom is a working woman. Why don't you ask? Why don't you acknowledge the efforts of a woman? What is wrong with you? Why? It takes simple 2 to 3 seconds. What does your mom do? You can avoid every misogynistic act around you by that, you know. And the second thing, now I went for certain admission process somewhere. Now I was asked what does my dad do for form fill up, and I said my dad does this, and he asked what does your mom do, is she housewife? Why are you considering my mom a housewife? You don't have to answer it yourself. I said no, my mom is working. Why do you have to say that my mom is a housewife? Like, why are you even considering it? I understand it has been rooted in India, but come on bitches, it's 21st century, it's 2026. You have to get out of that loophole of considering women as non-working women. My cat's roaming around me still. She's licking my foot. Yeah, continuing. What is wrong with you? Like, why don't you have the efforts to ask a simple question? What does my mom do? Is something wrong with you? Like, do you just consider every woman as housewife? Do you consider me a housewife? No, I'm not married. But if I grow up someday and get married, which I don't want to, looking at the men in this generation, I just hope I don't get married. Now that's your opinion, this is my opinion, so I should not get hate for this clearly. But if I get married someday and I'm earning more than my husband, and if someone asks my child or asks me for a certain point, or asks my husband for a certain point, ki what does your wife do, or what does your mom do, or what do I do? Are you a housewife? If someone says that, I'm gonna not take that shit, because as someone younger to the person in front, you cannot argue with that. If you are at an admission process and someone asks you what your dad is doing, and asks what your mom does, is she a housewife, you cannot argue कि oh, why did you ask me what my mom is doing and just assume she's a housewife. You cannot argue at a legal space, you know. Neither can you argue at an informal arena, like the informal arena. She's my baby. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, so just it's a very simple thing. Please ignore the background noise. But yeah, it's a very simple thing. Dear men, please address this. Please don't just consider that women are housewives. They are more than that. They have a personality of their own. And I think this thing specifically should be stopped. This, I have had enough of it. This bullshit, I am fed up. I cannot bear with the questions. Because as a child, when I was asked with these questions, I never paid attention. Maybe, yeah, they're just asking about my dad. That's what I thought as a child. I never gave it a second thought. Why? Because I was a child. I was immature. I had no idea about the world, how misogynistic the world is. And I swear, if I didn't have the internet, I myself might have been a victim of patriarchy or a victim of misogyny. No, sorry, a predator of misogyny, not a victim. I'm still a victim as well. Do you understand? I would be promoting misogyny if I hadn't gotten the access to internet. I really love how women are raising their voices these days by standing up for themselves. And it's just beautiful. I love this space. I don't know why. I just am in awe that women are speaking up. And still, in the recent controversy as well, I saw that Max, who is Miley Cyrus's, I think, fiance or maybe boyfriend, I have no idea about that. I got a news that Max is going to take Miley Cyrus's surname after marriage. And neither I want to promote misandry, neither misogyny. But I saw the comment sections and they were like, zero testosterone, this is a gay man, stupid fellow, oh my god, you are not a man, you are a BS. All the hate comments towards Max. And I was like, what is wrong with people? When a woman takes a man's surname, there is no discussion. Because this has been rooted. This is a rooted patriarchy since a very long time in India. I'm talking about India, not any other state right now. Because I have lived in India, so I know the experience of India. As soon as a man takes a woman's surname, other people are like, zero testosterone, you don't need to get married, you are a gay. First of all, why are you using gay as an insult? First of all, it's a normal thing. Being gay is nothing wrong. You are just simply being also misogynistic and also homophobic. That sums up to your stupidity. Why? Why do you care? I don't care. Post the thing if they get divorced. That's not the point. Even the comment sections were saying that they're gonna get divorced anytime soon. Why does he care? Zero testosterone. Why? Why do you care? Why do you care if they get divorced? At least they're gonna get married currently and he's gonna take up Miley's surname because Miley has created a name in her industry. Being into Hollywood and surviving isn't easy. You have to be exploited in that industry. You are exploited to your core, to the fact that you have crocodile skin. You have to go through so much. Why are you spreading bad comments and hate towards Max? Okay, maybe it is wrong. Even if you are taking a woman's surname, maybe it is wrong. Okay, raise your voice for that. But as soon as a woman takes up a man's surname, why don't you say the same thing? If you are raising your voice during this discussion, then go raise your voice when a woman takes up surnames. Do you get it? I hope you are getting it. Why don't you understand when the genders are swapped? Nobody cares. It's all misogyny. It's all rooted misogyny. And I even saw some women in the comments promoting misogyny. And I also put up a story about it and raised my voice. Why is this happening? There's nothing wrong. You just need to change your mindset. Stop asking me what does my dad do. Start asking me what does my mom do. And even during the admission process, when they are asking for the main admission emergency contact or maybe your exam form fill-ups, they always take my dad's number. Why? Why are you taking my dad's number? Take my mom's number. Or maybe take both their numbers. because we have to. Now, I might sound a misandrist when I say this, but when the idea of feminism actually being implemented in this society, then only we can grow as a country. But now India will stay as a developing country. There will be no change. You cannot see any change. That's all. That's all. Now, even about the Geta glasses. Now, I'm not gonna say the real name of the company, but to avoid any controversy. But the Geta glasses, which had camera. Now, an influencer, you might know her, and I love that influencer. Okay. Now, she was promoting those glasses about a year ago. Now, she's a solo traveler, and when she's cooking or certain things, she used to record it with those Geta glasses. She promoted it because this product is genuinely useful. After a certain period of time, men started using it in pervert ways, using it on like exploiting women, recording their private parts. Now, this content creator who was promoting this brand a year ago is now being bashed online by a specific creator as well, who claims to be feminist, clearly is not, and blaming her for some things. My cat's dead. Bello! So let's continue. Now she's being blamed for promoting those classes. She is a woman. She used it for her solo traveling. She used it to record herself cutting the vegetables as a single woman. I love her. She's beautiful. I personally love her a lot. And people started bashing her. Now this content creator goes on and bashes her and says, oh, now you are promoting those get up over glasses. And I loved that influencer's reply. Okay, the one who was promoting these glasses. If someone is using a knife, I am using a knife to cut vegetables. But if someone is using the same knife to murder someone, is that my mistake? If someone is exploiting a certain instrument, a certain device or thing, you cannot blame the woman or the person promoting those glasses. Even a huge cricketer was also promoting those glasses. Then though he will not get bashed. Why? Because he is a man. He has an established name since years. You are not even making sense when you bash women for specific promotions. She was doing it because she loved that product and it is genuinely useful. But if a man is exploiting that device by recording women in private spaces, who is the one to blame? The one who is promoting those glasses or the one who is exploiting the device? Make it make sense before you bash a woman for promoting something, right? Now, that's all for the discussion. I had this certain thing in mind and I had to share it. Now that's it for this video. I'll see you guys the other day. I hope you spread love. Avoid misogyny, avoid misandry. Just support feminism. Feminism will make the society better, especially India. But now this country will stay developing and not get to those developed countries. Not in an infrastructural way. I'm just talking about the civic sense and the mindset. Change your mindset. Try to understand rather than being misogynistic. Go get a life. And if you are a feminist, I love you. Yeah, that's all for this video. See you soon. Bye guys. And for today's outro, we have feminism will make the society better. That's all. Love you guys. Bye. See you soon.